What's up everyone, and welcome to the channel. So it's now official. I just got done ordering my drag radial setup for this summer and this spring. Hoping to receive it by the middle of next week. And so for anybody that's curious as to what I went with for a tire perspective, this is it. The I'm sorry, the Nitto NT05Rs. I went with the 315/35/20s. I went with that route. Originally I was planning on doing 18-inch wheels and doing 18-inch tires, but because I plan on doing these for daily driving as well as the strip, I decided to go ahead and stick with the 20s after talking to a bunch of different people and going back and forth myself. Decided to get these. So this is actually the Nitto website, you know, for the tire itself. I did order these through Performance Plus Tires online. I got a couple more of the Factory Reproductions Style 70 Hellcat replica wheels. So you can see the total there for those are $419. The total for the tires is $708. I also got the TPMS sensors, $109 for that, and then you can see the total there with shipping and insurance. So I'm actually quite psyched about this. I've been trying to figure out what I wanted to do for a drag radial perspective pretty much for the last 2 months, and like I said, I originally was going to do 18s, but decided to go with the 20s. So I'm looking forward to see how they help on the street, as well as, you know, some trips to the drag strip. So when they come in and it gets warm enough to finally put the damn things on the car, I'll do another video, you know, showing all of that, and hopefully I'll be able to start highlighting some runs at the track. So thanks for watching.